How to clean a bird's cage, especially the big ones. First, we're going to start off by taking out the water. Don't let your bird get out of the cage or he's going to go on the floor like my bird does all the time. Close the cage and make sure it's secured. The water is really dirty, so you're going to have to go up to a bathroom sink or anything, or your kitchen sink, and just dump out all the water. Grab a sponge from the kitchen, like this sponge right here. And what you're going to do is just rub it on its side. 1 second. 1 second, you guys. You're just gonna rub it. Rub it on the sides and make it clean. A lot of birds pour a whole bunch of stuff. A lot of birds pour a whole bunch of stuff in their water. So if they do, take it out right away. They can die or have a disease. Make sure you put a good amount of water. There it is. So the bird won't get mad. Make sure you dry up your hands and make sure the bird is a little bit away from you. Not too close, but see, my bird is like right there. Clemsy? No. Good boy. And there's his water. Now we're going to take out his food. Make sure he's in the cage. We're going to take out this food because he already ate all the bits. He took out all the bits of it. And you're just going to throw it away. Okay. So, I got this. And right here I got his food. I'm just going to take it. And I'm going to take this food and put it in his bowl. Put a right amount that you think he would eat it all. Good amount of food. Okay. Now we're going to enter the food. We are going to enter the food in his cage. Make sure he's not about to bite you. Because my bird is a bite or die. Okay, next step. Since you already have the water and the food, we're going to clean this really dirty bottom. First, we're going to start by taking out this thing out of here. So let's just slide it off. Make sure it's safe under the bird. Make sure it's not on the top because it won't work. It's always working on the bottom.
It depends what type of cage is it too.
And it depends what type of cage is it too. So make sure you do this. Okay, so I'm going to take out this. I'm going to take it out. And birds don't really like this because it makes too much noise and, it makes too much mess. But this is all the stuff that my bird has not eaten. These are all his bird seeds. Well, he ate it, but this is all nasty stuff. So what you're going to do is take it out. And you're going to take it outside. Tell somebody to help you to open the door. No, can you open the door? Daniel, open the door. Okay, so you're outside right now. Ugh. Oh, yuck. Okay. Let me take this out of here.